Have you ever wondered if you can make your own fluid acrylic paints? The answer is yes and no. It's not as simple as adding water to thick paint. Despite their low viscosity, fluid acrylics pack the same color strength as heavy body paints thanks to a precise manufacturing process. While you can mix pigment and medium to make basic liquid acrylics, the results won't match the consistency, longevity, or performance of a professional-grade paint. Achieving perfect dispersion, pH balance, and curing properties takes more than a studio setup. For small batches, combine colorants with a high-strength fluid medium like Utrecht acrylic sizing. It works, but don't expect flawless results in pour techniques or marbling. Plus, homemade fluid paints don't keep well, so use them right away. For the simplest DIY option, add pigmented drawing ink to acrylic medium for lightfast results. Feeling more ambitious? Wet powdered pigment with 91% isopropyl alcohol before mixing it into a medium. Marble dust can increase thickness, just don't overdo it, or your paint could end up weak and crumbly. Experimenting with DIY acrylics can be fun, but you'll likely return to professional paints. The sophisticated materials and formulations found in art stores are practically impossible to replicate in a studio. And there's no shame in that. Great art deserves great tools, one bottle at a time.